Tell us about the energy here today. You got so much technology, innovation, entrepreneurs coming all together. How's it been for you?
Being able to come together in person, to talk to each other in person, to have those serendipitous interactions.
And it's good to see UTD getting its Comet Pride.
Doubling down on dual use, robotics, hard tech.
Here is concentrated. More innovation, new ideas. And
checking out, what are, folks working on? Where can I go?
We are at CF House, fired up. The energy is amazing. Dude, energy's rocking. How's it been for you?
It's been unlike any other crawl I've been to, and I've been to probably almost all of them.
I just think that a lot of innovation here, a lot of energy, good music.
You have enough flexibility within the Capital Factory framework to enable some molding and reflection of who we are, to be expressive of ourselves.
Are you having fun, Alex?
Yes!
Always inspiring. I'm here every time you guys doing this.
So much innovation, so much technology, incredible entrepreneurs coming together to inspire each other, to learn from each other, and take all of this energy into their businesses to continue growing in 2025. Thank you, Capital Factory. We're so happy to be here.